One more time now. Well, I saw myself at the liquor store with pennies in my pocket, now my face is on the floor. Ooh, whiskey don't let me down tonight. 5 days of work and 2 days of sin. I didn't know it then, I was broken within. Whiskey don't let me down tonight. Yeah, I'm going home again. I'll see you in the morning, I'll see you again. Yeah, I'm going home again. Whiskey don't let me down tonight. Control. Whiskey don't let me down tonight. Hold me a glass of your cheapest red.